If you've ever been annoyed by websites opening extra windows or sending you to another page without warning, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable pop-ups and redirects on Google Chrome, step by step, so you can choose whether Chrome allows them or blocks them. This is useful if a trusted website needs a pop-up to work properly, like a login page or payment screen, but it's also great if you want to stop annoying ads and unwanted redirects. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Pop-ups are extra windows or tabs that a website opens automatically, and redirects are when one website sends you to another page without you clicking anything. Sometimes those features are helpful, but sometimes they can be frustrating or even unsafe, so it's important to know where the setting is. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can access settings and other browser options. From the list that appears, click Settings. Chrome will now open the full settings page. On the left side of the settings page, find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls a lot of the browser's protection and website permissions, including what sites are allowed to do. After that, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome lets you control things like camera access, location access, notifications, and more. Now scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects, then click it. This is the specific section for managing websites that try to open extra windows or send you to another page automatically. Once you open it, Chrome will show you the current control for pop-ups and redirects. If you want to allow pop-ups and redirects, select the option that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once this is turned on, websites will be able to open pop-ups normally. This can be useful for trusted websites, payment pages, sign-in windows, booking systems, and other services that need pop-ups to function correctly. If you want to block them instead, choose Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This tells Chrome to block most unwanted pop-ups and redirect behavior automatically. It's usually the better option if you want a cleaner browsing experience and more protection from annoying or suspicious websites. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable pop-ups and redirects on Chrome in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to allow a trusted site or block unwanted interruptions, you now know exactly where to change the setting. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.